Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve with you the 2015 English 1 grammar portion. Okay, so I will also give you the snapshots of this question part and the answer parts also. Okay, so the answers of this part I have written here, so you can copy from here, and the answers of the joining and do as directed part I will write down in a copy and I will give you in the snapshots. Okay, so then first of all I want to just discuss these answers with you. Okay, so let's start. So there is a blank given. You all know that we have to complete the fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket with the proper forms. Okay, so first of all, the first the first thing is given here. It was it starts from here. One morning the answer is saw. It is given here. I saw the python curled up on the dressing table. It was gazing curled up on the dressing table. The answer is saw here, and now it is the next part starts from it was dash given gaze at its own reflection in the mirror. So it was gazing at its own reflection in the mirror. You have to understand the paragraph first. You have to understand the meaning of the sentences, then you can give the proper forms of the verbs. Okay, you have to understand the tense. I dash given go in the bracket for grandfather, but by the time we dash return to the room. So reflection in the mirror, so go will be went here. I went for grandfather, but by the time we returned to the room. So it is describing a scene and it is in past tense. So we have to use somewhere the past tense, some past continuous, and somewhere we have to use past perfect also. The python returned to the room. The python move on. So it will be had moved. It is past perfect. The python had moved on. He was seen in the garden, and once the cook saw him crawling up the ladder to the roof. Then we dash find is given here, it will be found. Then we found him on the dressing table again. Admire, it will be admiring himself in the mirror. He is trying to look better for Aunt Mabel. I said. I dash regret, it will be regretted. I regretted this remark immediately because grandmother overheard and held up my pocket money for the rest of the week. Okay, you note it down. You have to write down all these things in your English 1 copy. Now in B, fill in the blanks with an appropriate word. He found the key just near the front door. It will be near. I could not accompany my cousin dash the trip because I had fever for the trip. Okay. The noise prevented us dash sleeping from sleeping. The young man put the flute dash his lips and began to play. On his lips and began to play. Ashok leaned against the wall tiredly. In the blank it will be against. The paper dart went gliding dash the air in the air. The cyclist rode quickly dash the path down the path. The paper dart went gliding dash the air. It will be in the air. The cyclist rode quickly dash the path down the path. The young child carried the heavy bucket dash the stairs. It will be up the stairs, up. Now there is joining, and in joining you have to understand each and every sentence and its meaning, and according to the meaning you have to join them. If there are similar thing, you can use either or, neither nor, not that. You can use some noun clause. We can use some noun clause, that, which, whom. We can join this sentence with like that. And if there are contradictory ideas, you can use though, although, despite, in spite. Okay. And if there are cause and reason, then you can use because, that like of thing. Okay. So let's start. The first question is, he has learned to cycle, full stop. He has yet to learn to swim. That means he had already learned how to cycle, but he didn't learn to swim till that time. So the new sentence will be, he has learned to cycle, but has yet to learn to swim. Okay. The second question is, the child helped her mother to make breakfast, full stop. She washed the tomatoes. So in order to help her mother, she had done that. We understand this thing. So the sentence will be, helping her mother to make breakfast, the child washed the tomatoes. Okay. I will give you the answer in written. Okay. Now, next, they bought a new car. They can travel long distances. So, number 3 answer will be, they bought a new car to travel long distances. Next, Sunita opened her purse. She found the money missing. So, the answer will be, on opening her purse, Sunita found the money missing. Okay. Now, come to the do as directed part. First one, Arun gave Ramesh some excellent advice. We have to begin the sentence with Ramesh was. So Ramesh was, that means we have to make it object. It is a voice change. So the answer will be, Ramesh was given some excellent advice. Okay. By Arun. Okay. You can add that. As soon as Sania sat down to study, the lights went off. So the answer will be, no sooner did Sania sit down to study, the lights went off. Next, has Alia written to you? You have to start with have you. Okay, so here you is used, that is the reason why have is used here. Okay. So, have you been written to by Alia? You have to put question mark at the end. As soon as the function got over, the crowd dispersed. Begin with hardly had. So, hardly had the function got over, the crowd dispersed. Okay. Now come to the next page. We're coming to the next page. Wait a minute. Okay. The next question is, actually my book is going downwards. That is why I have to give a support here. Okay. The monsoon is the best season in our country. So rewrite using good. Okay. So what will be the answer? No other season in our country is as good as the monsoon. Okay. The next is given, Harish was so tired that he could not keep his eyes open. Begin with Harish was too. So Harish was too tired to keep his eyes open. Okay. Next, father said to Sunil, I can help you with your homework. Begin with father. Father, it is narration change. I have already given you the rules of narration change, how we can change narration. Father told Sunil that he could help him with his homework. Next, Naresh goes to school which has over 1,000 students. So we have to begin with there. There are over 1,000 students in the school where Naresh goes. We're just saying it quite in a different way. So here are the answers I have discussed with you, and I will also give you the snapshots of the answers. Okay, so thank you for today.